So there's the hole in the ceiling, right above, well, not directly above, it's in the wrong location.
Yeah, so you got some backing here. So that's as close as you're gonna get. So I'm gonna borrow one of your paint cans.
So we're using a standard paint can to mark the hole. Paul says that'll work perfectly.
Yep.
And what Paul says is right. Now you can see the existing pipe up there. I measured it, it's 7 inches. It's flexible, so you can swing it over to hook up the hood. So what did we discover? That the truss is right there in the way, huh?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I know, right?
And that's why there is a rectangular opening to adapt it to the previous hood.
Correct.
Okay. A little bit of a adaptation here to make it work. The critters that will be hanging out behind the stove will be impressed with this texturing. The textured compound has dried for more than 24 hours. Now we can prime the walls before painting. Diane and I painted all of the walls that were primed with a single coat of Duration interior paint. I'm going to do a second coat where the cabinets overlap the walls, just to make sure that the paint looks good. So above the ceiling, I glued down this piece of sheetrock. It extends about 5 inches to the left, giving it enough strength, I think, to patch it up on this side. I used 2 10-inch rectangular to 6-inch round ducting transitions to penetrate through the closed trusses in this part of the ceiling. It's a short distance. A flexible pipe will be perfect. The existing roof vent is not the correct type for venting a fan. It needs to have a snout on the end 6 inches in diameter to attach a pipe. I'm going to contact the roofing company that replaced our roof and ask them to replace this basic attic vent with a fan vent so I can connect up my pipe. It's now ready for the flexible ducting to be installed. I'm heading up into the attic to inspect the ducting I connected to the hood fan. I want to make sure it's still secure. So let's check it out. It's a short distance to the access to the attic of the house. Right over there. There's my flexible ducting. Looks good from here. I use some duct tape and a strap on both ends to keep it secure. The roofing company replaced that hood vent, so it was designed to attach to a 6-inch diameter duct. And they also had to replace some of the sheathing. It was too large of a hole. Installing this range hood was a real bear. Just getting it level against the wall so we could mount it took some time, as you can see from our stack of boxes. Fortunately, we only needed one part of the chimney, since we have a low ceiling. Getting the wires in there and connecting up the ducting so it would fit was also a significant challenge. I didn't get video of that, but trust me, you don't want to do this if you don't have to. I used some adhesive caulk around the top to make it a nicer trim so you don't see big black gap between the ceiling and the chimney. It's working pretty good.
You want to plug it in there before we push it in? Yeah, we're looking pretty good. It's pretty even. I'm liking that.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Beautiful.
Easy peasy. I'm never going to stop doing that.
Look at that. Tight fit. Dean's gonna pull the drain for the dishwasher out of the way so the slide-in little tray there doesn't obstruct it.
Get the cords in there.
All of our new appliances are GE Café style. Dishwasher, range, refrigerator, and the SMEG hood fan, made in Italy. Lily wants to go outside. She's hoping I'll let her out. This guy's gonna come see what she's up to. Hi, Lily. You wanna go outside? She's spoiled sometimes. There's a cat door, but she prefers to have a human let her out. Bye-bye, Lily. Diane and I decided it's time to remodel our kitchen. It works well, but it's kind of retro, and the cabinet hardware just doesn't work anymore. The springs are sprung. So the only way to fix that is to replace it. This is before our remodeled kitchen is built. Our brand new kitchen is all done. There were some moments that was touch and go, but everything came out beautiful.